Hello everyone, myself Dr. Soumya Hullanawar. I'm a lead specialist at Elite Ayurveda. I'm over here today to talk upon a topic, reproductive years in a woman and fertility rate. So age and fertility rate in females. So a woman's best reproductive years are in her 20s. Fertility gradually declines in the 30s, particularly after the age of 35. So each month that she tries, a healthy, fertile 30 years old woman has 20% chance of getting pregnancy. So that means that for every 100 fertile 30-year-old woman trying to get pregnant in one cycle, 20 will be successful and other 80 will have to try again. So as you start aging, I'm telling you the numbers, the percentage of declining in the chances. So by the age of 40, a woman's chance is less than 5% per cycle. So fewer than 5 out of every 100 women are expected to be successful each month. So in today's society, maybe like age-related infertility is becoming more common because for a variety of reasons. Let's say many women wait until their 30s to begin their families. Maybe they want to get financially stabilized, then think over it. So even though women today are like healthier, I would say like they are taking better care of themselves than the ever before. The before women used to be treated like, the more of a household works, they never used to worry about their physical structures, etc. But nowadays women are better at it. So even though improved health as later stages of life does not offset the natural age-related decline in the fertility. So that's very important, like I agree, even though you are taking care of yourself very well, still the natural age related, you just can't decline on it. It's important to understand that fertility declined as a woman ages due to the normal age related decrease in that number of eggs that remains in her ovaries. So this decline may take place much sooner than the most women expect that. So women do not remain fertile until the menopause. The average age for a menopause is 51, but most women become unable to have a successful pregnancy sometimes in their mid-40s itself. So these percentages are true for natural conception as well as a conception using fertility treatment as well. Like it may include IVF, in vitro fertilization. Although the stories in the news media may lead women and their partners to believe that they will be able to use fertility treatments such as IVF to get pregnant. Women's age affects the success rate of infertility treatments. Definitely the age will affect that. Maybe, yeah, chances are there, but as you start aging, the chances starts declining. The age-related loss of a female fertility happens because both the quality and the quantity of the eggs gradually starts declining. It's a common misconception that IVF treatment can overcome the age-related infertility. Let's say like a woman age also affects the chance of the success with the IVF. The chance of a live birth from one complete IVF cycle, which includes that fresh and the frozen embryo, transfers the following. One ovarian stimulation is about 43% for women aged 30 to 34 years, we say, maybe around 31% for women aged 35 to 39 years, 11% for the woman aged from 40 to 44 years. So even though with the IVF, this is the success rate of the percentage according to the age. So the risk of pregnancy complications also increases as you start aging. The risk of miscarriages and chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus increase from age 35 and above. The complications such as maybe a gestational diabetes, placenta previa, that is when that placenta covers all or the part of the cervix, which increases the risk of the placenta detaching also. Maybe a cesarean section chances will be more. Stillbirths are also more common among the older women compared to the younger women. So there are many other risk factors also as you start aging. So definitely, just like your weight, how it contributes for your conception, age also declines the chances of your fertility rate. Thank you.